Hi, I'm Danny Marcos.
Hi, I'm Alexander G. Montero. And my discussion is all about pendulum.
Conversion of energy, chapter 8.
This is in our experiment.
This is the drink stand, and second, the pendulum clamp.
This is the string and this is the steel ball.
This is materials. A pendulum swinging, and for illustrate, conversion of energy, base the pendulum bulb to give potential energy released in that potential energy is convert the kinetic energy to bulb.
Attach a pendulum clamp to the top of a ring stand between two other ring stands. Show in figure, attach a ball to a piece to strengthen nearly long as ring is tall. 2. Attach a rod to the central ring and stand height as the horizontal string. The rod should be touch the pendulum string when the string is vertical.
The ball will lower than the horizontal string.
Game.
Based on our observation, the ball will lower than the horizontal string. C.
My prediction experiment, when the steel ball is attached to the higher clamp, the ball is higher clamp in the horizontal string. Cut mo muna.
Based on our observation, when the ball attached on the higher pendulum clamp, the ball will higher than the horizontal string.